Hi, in this video, I will discuss about the paste special. So paste special is a very basic part of the Excel, but here I will utilize the advanced part of the paste special. So first I will let you know the shortcuts of the paste special. Then I will move on next options of the paste special. So here I'm just creating one data set. So here I'm taking range between and taking here 10 to 99. 10 to 99, bottom value is 10 and top value is 99. So you will get here random value between these two values. Okay, control D, control C. I'm pressing alt S U. Then see here, alt ES is a shortcut. Here I have pressed alt ES, then you will get this window. Now you can see here underscore. So underscore is available on F character. So if you press F character, then you can see here your pointer is here. If you press V, then your pointer will be on value. If you press T, then your pointer will be on format. If you press C, then your pointer will be on comment. So what value you want to paste? You want to paste the comment, you want to paste the formula, you want to paste the format, you want to paste the validation. You have to decide. Okay. So as of now, I will discuss all these parts. So formula, value, format, comment, validation. And then I will move on these parts. These parts and these parts is very important part. After that, you have to use these shortcuts. Okay. So now I'm just telling you formula and format. Suppose here I want to paste the value. So I'm just pressing V. V means formula will be removed from this area. Okay. Only value will be available. Now press OK. So see here, formula is removed, value is available. Press escape key, then cut mode is gone. Now what I have to do here, suppose I have formatted this value, control B, and here I have taken this color and control I, and here I have taken this is a green color. Okay. So what I have to do, I need to copy this complete data, but I want to format here only formatting part. So here I'm pressing alt ES. Alt ES, alt you have to press continuously. Do not leave the alt key and then press ES. Okay. Now you can see here format. So here I'm pressing T. This is a T, underscore is available in T character. So see here I'm pressing T, then my pointer is on format. Now click on OK. See here, I'm getting only format. Okay. So here is font colors, but if you type anything here, you will get green. See here. Okay. So I have pasted here only format. Now I'll let you know, suppose I have added one comment. So I'm taking here comment as a, this is a special value. Okay. Now I need to take this comment on this data. Okay. So copy it. I have copied everything, but here I'm pasting alt ES. Then you have to paste here comment only, no data, only comment will be pasted. So here I'm taking comment and click on OK. Now you can see here this comment is pasted. This is a special value. Okay. Now I will discuss about next thing. So I want to take here formula. Suppose here I'm just applying equal to sum and taking this complete range and freezed it. Bracket close, enter. Now I want to copy and here I want to paste the formula. So after pasting the formula, you will get same value. You can see here I'm pressing Alt S and then formula is this one. Click on OK. Now you can see here you are getting same value. With formula you are getting same value. Okay. So now I will discuss about the next part. So here I'm just taking border. So First, I'm just taking border. I have taken the border. Now what I have to do here, I need to paste, but excluding border. So here I'm just taking this, and now all except border. Everything will be paste, but border will not paste here. So click on OK. See here, everything is paste, but border is not available here. Okay. Now here I'm just making copy, and I want to paste here, Alt S. Now try to understand here. So here I want to paste the column width. So wait, I'm just increasing the column width first. This much increase the column width. Now I copy it. Wait, I'm just pressing Control C, and here I paste it, but here I will paste only column width, no value. So see here, click on OK. See here, column width is pasted. Okay. Now I will copy, and here I want to paste Alt S. Then so see here, I want to take here formula and number format. So as of now you don't have any formula, so first I want to take here formula. So here is formula, and here I want to change the format of number. So pressing Control 1, and then here I'm taking format as a uh, thousand separator. Okay, not taking thousands of separator. Here I'm taking 2 decimal. Okay, 5 decimal, and click on OK. So see here, this is the value. Now what I have to do, I need to take same format. So copy it, and here I'm just pasting Alt S, and here I will take formulas and number. So formula is not copied. So here I'm taking formula also. So I have taken this complete reference, and here is formula. So now you have to go to that cell where you have to paste. Now I'm taking here this option, formulas and number format. Now click on OK. Now you can see here same format is copied here. Click on this, you can see here formula is pasted. Okay, now I'm just moving on. So here I'm taking this value, I want to take in normal. Now what I have to do here, I'm taking 3. Okay, now what you have to do, this 3 I need to adjust here. I want to multiply this 3 with these values. So you have to press Alt S, or you can go through these options, paste special. Go to paste, and then you have to go to paste special. Now here I need to take multiply option. Click on multiply. 29 multiply by 3, 14 multiply by 3, 58 multiply by 3. So this will be your output. Click on OK. You can see here. Done. Now Control Z. I'm just taking Alt S. Next option I want to divide. So here 29 will be divided by 3. So see here 29 is divided by 3. So your option, your output is this one. Now I want to take here next option. I want to add 3 in each value. So you have to click on add, and 29 plus 3 will be 32. 14 plus 3 will be 17. So see here, click on OK, see here. Okay, now you have to take subtract 29 minus 3, 14 minus 3, 58 minus 3. So see here, I'm just click on OK. So see here, done. Now I'll let you know, suppose here is my one value like equal to rand between, I'm taking here 10 to 999. Okay, so done. Paste a special value and number format. Now what you have to do, so I just remove this value, and I just remove this value. Now I just copy it, and here I want to paste, but blank will be skipped. So blank value will not paste here. If I paste normally here, suppose I click on all and click on OK. So see here blank is also paste. But Here I'm pressing Ctrl Z. Now I don't want to uh, take here blank. I want to skip the blank paste. So you have to take here Alt S. Then you have to click on skip blank. Click on OK. Everything will be pasted here, but blank will not adjust this value. Click on OK. So see here, blank instead of blank, you are getting same value, whatever value was earlier here. Okay. Now I'm just talking about how we can link this value. I want to link this value here. So you have to press Alt F, then click on paste link. Click on paste link. Now you can see here same value formula is applied here. You can see here I1, I5, I7. So now I'm just changing here 500. So this 500 will be applied here after entering. So see here. Done. Now I want to copy this value and I want to transpose this value. Here I'm pasting Alt S and here I will utilize the transpose. Click on OK. Now you can see here column value is pasted in horizontal order in row. Okay. So this is all about the paste special. Thank you so much for this video.